so excited to show you around the HoneyBook office. We realized we've never done that before, so we're gonna take this opportunity as we start our channel to welcome you to HoneyBook, our family, our home, and take you around and give you the grand tour.
How do you get your invoices? Oh, you wait for a check? That's weird. How do people sign contracts? Oh, they print it out and scan it back to you? Don't do that. With here at this HoneyBook sales team, we avoid all that. So check us out, and I gotta get back to work.
The cool thing about this company is that we believe that we are family. That is one of our core values, and our office reflects that. So what you'll notice is on one side of our office.
Come on, let me go ahead and introduce you to the member experience team at HoneyBook. They are going to be the team that helps you with any sort of issue you have. If you want to know how to use HoneyBook, if you want best practices, this is the team. We're here just about morning, noon, day and night, 7 days a week, and we're always here to help you to make sure you get your best footing in HoneyBook and you put your best foot in front of your clients.
Hey, we're the product team. We're designers, engineers, performance marketers. We make the product look awesome and work really good without bugs.
Oh, hi there. This is the marketing pod where all the marketing magic happens, but I'm really busy right now, so I'm gonna get back to this.
And then on the other side of the office, it resembles a home. So it feels like family because we're actually home. We sit together, we collaborate at different couches and tables, and it just creates this environment where we are connected. We truly are, and we can feel really comfortable. Some people even wear slippers here. I don't, but some people do. They wear their slippers. Continuing on our grand tour of HoneyBook, we have offices that you can sit in, little meeting rooms, and they're all named after different parts of the industry. So they're inspired by the people that we serve, the creatives that we're building this product for. So for example, we've got studio, which is like an artist studio. We've got mixtape, which is kind of inspired after our musicians and our DJs. Photoshop, after our photographers, and we have vintage cameras on the wall that I may or may not steal often for Instagram posts. It happens sometimes. Hey guys, welcome to the meeting room. We're having a meeting, so we actually have to go. Bye!
See you guys.
Letterpress for our hand letterers and just our different typographic creatives that are using text and type. And then we're gonna welcome you to All Hands. So All Hands is a space where we gather every single day to meet. Now, 3 days of the week, that's for something called a 7x7, where we sit and a member of the team actually educates us on either what they're working on for the company, what they're doing in their spare time or free time. And it's just a fun chance for us to sit for 7 minutes, both in our office here in San Francisco and our office in Tel Aviv, and just talk, learn, listen. It's really fun. We also have a weekly every week where we do a full deep dive into where the company's at. That's on Monday, and on Friday we do Q&As, all in this space.
Hi, Instagram TV.
Hello!
This is our kitchen. So this is the space where we make breakfast in the morning. All of us oftentimes are popping in here for our second or third cup of coffee, and lunches are served here throughout the week as well. The most important part of any startup office is the bar, and we do have that. That is something we have here. So we've got this bar. A lot of times we host sort of company culture events. So Whiskey Wednesday is a big one, and we all get together, we have whiskey together, which is really fun. It's the Whiskey and Fine Spirits Club though, so I don't want to get in trouble for misrepresenting that. More meeting rooms back here. And then what's really cool is we actually have a gym. And then this is my favorite room. So this is backyard. This is a meeting room where I meet a lot for podcast interviews, and when we're connecting with other brands or we're working with creatives that have fun projects. This room kind of becomes a cool space for us. It's a little bit quieter. It's in the back of the office. And unless there's a siren blaring down the street, it also works great for sound. So we film things like the Creative Live collab in here. We've done different types of episodes on the vlog where we filmed in here. So this space is kind of one of our favorites.
Hi, I'm Gigi. Welcome. This is the ops team. We have finance, talent, business development, and really everyone that runs the show.
And then this is the famous HoneyBook sign. So this is the sign that whenever people come to the office, they get a photo right in front here. So thank you for watching our tour of the HoneyBook office.